Okay, as you all know, COVID-19 is really bad right now. And right now, the only way for everybody to connect without actually connecting is by gaming or calling. And so, behind me, you may or may not see some stuff that helps with gaming. And I have braces now. What do you know? I have braces now. So, I will be building a gaming PC. Alright, for the CPU, I have the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X. It's a Zen 3 processor, and I'm pretty sure I watched this YouTube video where this guy said all AMD CPUs are overclockable. So I hope this is overclockable. Let's open it up. Of course, I don't need a knife because I got my fingernails. Waste. And here we have the CPU and the non-existing 6 sticker that I already stuck onto my case. So we have manuals. Important, please read. The AMD Ryzen 5000 series desktop processor contained in this package is compatible with AMD socket AM4 motherboards. When a compatible BIOS update has been installed, please contact the manufacturer of your AMD socket AM4 motherboard for guidance on how to update the latest BIOS. Yes, I'm pretty sure my BIOS needs to update. And a certificate of authenticity, I think. Read this first limited 3-year warranty installation instructions. Okay, here we have it. Yes, very cool. Shiny. Now, moving on. Moving on to... Ugh. How do you... Moving on. What shall we do next? PSU. So, here we have a Be Quiet Straight Power 11, and it's 750 watts, cause yeah, it's 80 plus gold certified, and it has 130 something millimeter wings. Fans. I don't know if they're wings or fans. It's fully modular. And yeah, that's all. It's just fully modular. Let's open it up. All right. Very interesting packaging. Oh, what might this be? So, looks like we have a manual. It's folded. We have some screws to connect to the case. Then we have some zip ties for cable management. Very interesting. Looks like we have our CPU here, P8. I hope I know what that means. And P4. Yes. And we also have a lot of GPU connectors, power connectors. On this other side, looks like we have the main ATX connector. This one connects to this one connects to the motherboard, and the other side connects to the PSU. Fully modular. There's also some SATA cables that powers SATA's HDD/DVD connectors. Yes, and that looks like that's all of it. On the top, looks like we have the power for the power supply. Very interesting. Such an amateur. Oh, all right. The PSU itself. Bubble wrap. Yes. And the PSU itself. Yes, big fans and kinda heavy. It's fully modular, as I said before. And here we have here we have very interestingly labeled motherboard, PCIe 3, motherboard, PCIe 2, CPU, well, it says P8 and P4, but CPU, we have PCIe 1, PCIe 1, P8, and P4 drives. I think this is for like SSDs and hard drives. SATA SSDs and hard drives. Okay. I will keep this out, because the next thing we'll be opening is the motherboard. Okay, do I put this on the ground when I do this, or do I put it here? Because I don't want to step on it by accident, which I am really good at. Really good at stepping on things. The reason I'm not keeping these boxes open is because I'm making this a series. So, if you want to see me actually build the computer, I highly recommend you watch my next videos. Alright, so, gloves. I don't want to oil the PCB, but as you heard my voice in the head say. So here I have Tough Gaming, because it's tough. Yes, from, is it Asus or Asus or Asus or In Search of Incredible? We'll just say their name by their slogan, because that's actual words. So we have Tough Gaming motherboard from In Search of Incredible, and it's a ZX570 Pro plus Wi-Fi 6. And it has a little bit of RGB with In Search of Incredible Aura Sync, which is Asus's RGB app, which you can download on the PC, so you can control the RGBness. Once I open this up, I will obviously see the motherboard wrapped in, what is this bag called? As you heard my brain say, it's called anti-static. And over here, looks like we have the Wi-Fi collector, Wi-Fi antenna, and the stand. So like you just boop, boop, and then you just yeet, and then you connect this part to the motherboard's Wi-Fi 6 connectors. All right. Just put this back. Okay. Next, we have, hold on, foam and other foam. Taking the motherboard out of the anti-stat, no, not taking it out. Taking the motherboard out of the box that's inside the anti-static wrap. So, as you heard my brain voice say, I'm not going to take it out of the bag. We're going to do that in the next video. There's of course, it's a AMD AM4 socket, or else it wouldn't work. Then we have, oh yeah, there's this, In Search of Incredible Tough Gaming made, like, the RAM slots. Usually, if you have double, what's it called? Double RAM? Dual channel RAM. You put it in separating slots when there's 4 slots. But, and usually I have to read the manual to know which 2 slots you have to put it in. But over here, it just highlights the ones where you put the dual channel RAM. It highlights them a different color, so you know which 2. I don't know how to explain, but if you go to ASUS Tough Gaming website, you will see that their motherboards have different colors. There is two M.2s, M.2 sockets, one of which has a heatsink on them, which right now PCIe Gen 4 sockets are hot. The BIOS, no, not the BIOS, the I.O. We have, careful. Okay, looks like we have a BIOS flash button. We have a mouse and keyboard plugger. We have 4 USBs, 1 USB 3.1, 1 display port, 1 HDMI, the Wi-Fi 6 connectors. I think this is another USB, but I don't know with a thing on top of it. Then we have a network cable, and we have a orange, blue, green, and purple, pink audio jacks, which I still don't understand. And there's this other, I don't know what it is. Put that there for now. And next, we have the I.O. shield. 2 SATA cables, 2 M.2 screws, an M.2 heatsink thing. We have the manual. It's a DVD, but I don't know, like, what it does. Pages of things. We have a sticker and a certificate of reliability, 2 of these. Maybe because ASUS doesn't trust you if you lose it. Putting them all back. Okay. Putting the motherboard back. And finally, closing it. Next, we have the RAM. Memory, random access memory. Yes, and we have a Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. It has a AMD Ryzen logo on it. Don't know what that means, but I guess it works with, I guess it's better with AMD. It says here, you can control the RGB with IQ, Gigabyte RGB Fusion MSI Mystic Light Sync, and Asus Aura Sync. Coming out of the box, we can see some transparent plastic, and the first thing we see is obviously the RAM. And I'm only using 2, so in the future I can, upgrade if I want. I have 16 gigabytes of CL18 3600 megahertz RAM, very RGB, and from Corsair. Yes, I hope I didn't miss anything. Otherwise, I lose views. Don't want to lose views. Yes. Next, we have my storage. I have, okay, this might sound like a lot, but I have 4.5 terabytes of storage. 4.5 terabytes of storage. 4 terabytes is from a hard drive, and 500 gigabytes is from NVMe SSD from Samsung. It's a 980 Pro. It's a PCIe Gen 4 socket. And once I take it out of the box, the manual's not there. Oh, I can see the manual there. Just let me scratch my nose first. Okay. It's like this. Then and we have, I didn't expect it to be this small. I thought it was a little bigger. Okay, so if I carefully take this out, I see the manual. Oh wow, there's a big sticker here. Can't open it. Oh, I have to rip it. Oh, I ripped it. Oh no, the manual's broken. Oh wait, never mind. Wait, why did Samsung put a sticker in the manual? That's not very nice. They could have ripped their own manual. Maybe they're trying to hide something. Huh, Samsung? Are you trying to hide something? Anyways, that's this. For my 4 terabytes of hard drive, oh yeah, for the SSD, I'm gonna be installing Windows on that SSD, or else slow. 4 terabytes, I have Seagate Barracuda Compute. And I have no idea how fast it is, because this is how it came. Maybe it says, I don't know, it says, it's probably like 1,000 mega something per second. Megabytes per second. Like 1 gigabyte per second, maybe. And next we have a cooler. And I have a liquid AIO cooler from Corsair. Corsair. RGB. H100i RGB Pro XT. And looks like, I don't know if you can actually control it with other RGB softwares, but it only says IQ here from Corsair. It's a 240 millimeter AIO, and it has a little tiny bit of RGB. Open up. We have manuals and stuff like that. There's a big foamer here. And first thing I see is the fans, because they're packaged, unlike everything else, because I've already opened everything. Just wanted to make a video out of it, because fun. I'm pretty sure Corsair says these fans are like, they have like cold mode or something, and then they also have like a silent mode. The fans, you can control it. It comes in a pre-applied thermal paste. Very interesting. This place is the place where RGB. And if I take out the fans, put them there. Take out the radiator and the pump. Okay. Carefully. That was not careful, but... Yes, there's RGB. Here. And the radiator is just the radiator. And that's all you need to know, because that's all I know. Just casually put it back in there. Oh, wait, I forgot. Sockets and stuff like that. I'm just gonna keep that there. Looks like we have a lot of screws here. Here, I'm pretty sure these are all the installation straps, like for Intel or AMD sockets. Who knows, right? Because they didn't label them. And I am just not a pro PC builder. Oh, sad. Amateur PC builder gets, I don't know. There are other, oh, this is the back plate, because there's no like click thing. This probably goes on the back of the motherboard, and then you take one of these screws, you screw it on, then you probably like take one of these things and poof it on there, then you screw it on. Goodbye, fans, once again. I'll see you in the next video. Safety and warranty guide. Warranty guide. Okay. That just leaves the case. Just don't break your wrists. Okay. I probably didn't break my wrists. Okay. For my case, I have the Be Quiet Pure Bass 500DX. I'm pretty sure it's a mid-tower case. And that's all. But it has RGB here. Oh yeah, a sticker from the CPU. Has RGB here, and you might not see it yet, but there's also some LED straps on the top over here. Yes. And it comes with 3 140mm fans that are non-RGB, because Be Quiet is not a RGB people. This place, it has big power button, has headphone jack, USB 3.1, USB 3.0, looks like a microphone jack, and you have a RGB button. This thing comes with 3 filters. One here on the top. Not again. Ah, depressing. Depressing. Okay. Nothing happened. One on the top. One on the bottom. And hold on. This one's gonna be hard to take out, but there's one on the front. Let me just, okay, I'll try and. Calm down, table. Calm down. Okay, hopefully I didn't break anything. Doesn't seem like anything's broken, I hope. Oh, it's a shaky voice. Yeah. Yes. This right here is the 3rd air filter. Did I break something? Please tell me I didn't break anything. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh, there's this random wire here. Oh, wait, no, I didn't break anything. It's just, I just have to put it here. It's called brain power. Oh, so sad. At least it's not breaking. Proceeds to break it. So sad. Oh, okay, I got one side done. Other side, don't fail me now. Huh? Huh? No! Did I break it? Ah, yes. Pro PC builder right here. Oh, I'm so good. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of, I don't know what these things are called, but like they mount the GPU. There's no vertical mounting for it, for this case. But it doesn't really matter because I'm not gonna buy long PCIe 4.0 strings. I have this Blu-ray disc player, so if I like want to watch a movie or something, I just boop. Yay! Yes. Okay. Do I have a GPU, you may ask? That is a top secret answer. Yes, good. Now I can get ad revenue. Okay. Closing statements. All right. In the end, go watch my next videos because I will be making a whole series of me attempting or building my PC, and I have gloves, so you might get to see these in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, drop, cause I'm your your favorite YouTuber. Don't forget to subscribe.